Have you ever wanted to make this in Blender? Okay, so maybe you haven't, but what about a waterbed, or Play-Doh, or a beanbag chair, or a blob? Well, here's how you do it. Start with a blob of vertices. Now, this doesn't look very blobby, so use the sculpting tool to create some shape. Maybe shape it to deform around the arms of the claw. Add a displacement modifier. Create a new texture and call it Blob. Go to the Texture Properties panel. Select Blob and change his texture type to Clouds. Adjust the texture until your blob is a little more blobby. Nice! Now, let's animate the blobbiness. Create a new empty. Name it Turbulence. In the displacement modifier properties, change the coordinates from local to object. Designate your shiny new empty as the object. Then move the empty around to see the blobbiness in motion. Animating the movement is just as easy as animating that empty. You can also animate specific sculpting transforms with shape keys. Select the blob and go to your data properties panel. In the shape keys tab, click the plus icon. This sets the base position of your mesh. Click the plus button again to add your first key and turn up its influence to 1. Now sculpt or edit your vertices in the viewport to your liking. Turn your key influence down now to see the change. Animating that value will now change that shape over time. You now have the power to animate individual vertices of your mesh.
Take it away, Blobby!